On this video, we're going to take a look at this baby hook-on chair that folds up in 30 seconds and supports babies up to 33 pounds. It's the only chair you ever need. Stay tuned for the whole video.
Alright, so if you have a baby, this is the best little car seat that you can get. It's adjustable to almost any height of a restaurant table or home table. It's made of soft plastic and this is rubber, so it's not going to damage anything. The way we do it like that. Then we tighten it underneath, put them in. There we go. So Zane here is 8 months old, almost. Now you cannot take this part off. There are these straps here as well to go over the shoulders, but we don't really use them. Very safe. Does not fall at any restaurant, and it's a great thing for a child to get used to because every time you put them in here, they know that they're going to be eating.
So the grips here are silicone and they're beveled and rounded, so if a baby's hitting it, it's not going to hurt itself. On the back, we've got the pocket to hold anything that you need. There are 2 straps for your shoulders as well over here. They clip in. This accommodates a child that's pretty large. You can remove this. This just kind of clips on. So if you wanted to wash it, and this material is very similar to like a parachute that you can wipe it clean with a soft rag. You always probably want to make sure to have something underneath just in case there was something that would happen, but it's almost impossible based on physics for this to let go.
Put them in. There we go. So Zane here is 8 months old, almost. Then we put a bib around him. There you go, mister. This acts as a catcher with all the feet, but you don't really have to worry about it if you're in a restaurant. Alright, so this is the bag. Let's go and set this up.
Ooh, you like that? Nice. So that's the video. Thanks for watching.
See you in the next one.